Flen Pharma is an independent Belgian company that was founded in 2000. It specializes in the development of advanced and innovative wound care treatments that address unmet clinical needs in this field. I personally became involved in wound care following a tragic accident in which the 14-month-old daughter of a family friend got burned with cooking fat. Her burns were treated with Flamigel, but unfortunately she was allergic to the treatment, and at this time there were little alternative treatments. And as an industrial pharmacist, I knew it should be possible to find a new treatment. I worked closely together with the Burn Center at Antwerp, and with their knowledge of the requirements of burn care and my pharmaceutical knowledge, we could develop a new burns product. And this is how Flamigel was created.
All of our products have been developed to address unmet clinical needs. They all feature our patented polymer technology, and our antimicrobial range of products also have a unique enzyme complex which allows them to selectively destroy bacterial cells without harming any skin cells in the process. Flamigel, or Savlon Advanced Healing Gel, as it is better known, is a hydroactive colloid gel. It creates optimum healing conditions by creating a moist wound healing environment. Flamigel is indicated for superficial burns and minor wounds, such as cuts and grazes. It combines the activity of a hydrocolloid with that of a hydrogel. That is, one absorbs and one hydrates, according to the state of the wound. Flaminal Forte and Flaminal Hydro are very exciting, as they belong in a new class of wound care products called enzyme alginogels. The key characteristics of Flaminal are that they keep the wound moist, they carry out continuous debridement of the wound, and they restore the bacterial balance. Compared to some popular antimicrobial wound care products, Flaminal is non-cytotoxic. That is to say, they do not destroy the host skin cells essential to wound healing. Their formulation contains no allergenic substances, and so they are suitable even for allergic patients. To restore bacterial balance, the novel patented enzyme system kills bacteria. As the enzyme system kills only the bacteria absorbed inside its alginogel structure, it does not affect dermal or epidermal cells responsible for wound healing. So skin cells continue to multiply quickly to heal the wound. Bacteria coming into contact with the enzyme alginogel activate a sequence of enzymatic reactions that result in the production of free radicals, which selectively kill a broad range of bacteria without damaging or affecting the dermal and epidermal cells that are responsible for wound healing. Moreover, no bacterial resistance has been reported to date. As we all know, chronic wounds differ enormously from acute wounds. There are a few key objectives in the management of chronic wounds, and these are described in the time framework by the European Wound Management Association. In this, the T stands for tissue management and debridement, I for infection and inflammation control, M for moisture control, and E for the advancement of the epithelial edge. And so the features of a good wound care product and wound care in general are debridement, in which the wound is kept clean, that the bacterial balance is maintained, that the product is devoid of skin cell toxicity, that the product maintains a moist milieu and protects the wound borders from maceration. And this is exactly what Flaminal does. And to date, it is the only product that has all of these properties.
It's fair to say that we believe that Flen Pharma offers a new class in wound care, that of an antimicrobial activity which does not impair skin cell growth and embedded in a time-based wound healing concept. Bringing progress to wound healing is a multidisciplinary and scientific endeavor. But much more so, I feel that this is an endeavor that requires partnerships between wound care providers, such as in hospitals and in home care, and us working in labs. Creating such an environment is not easy. It requires perception, deep understanding of the problems to be solved, and not in the least, openness of spirit and willingness to work together. The one depends on the other. Whatever we have achieved at Flen Pharma is precisely due to the help and support that we received from all those that offer wound care in daily life. And let me end by quoting a great 19th century French scientist, Louis Pasteur, who wrote, "Chance favors only the prepared mind." My personal wish is to keep such mind in order to contribute to progress in wound care.